question here. Sir, this is one of the last year. ये point पे हुआ था sir. क्या है?
Hadian bakladan ke jingshah bagi beliau ki bomde ki khasi ke lesha asho haki reu shem kabu hagnong ba shalong. Hagamiat jokalai pautrik Jylla arhajar arpuar u Director General ki pulit ke Jylla u LR Bishnoi ulel jurip kishnong kitau kam tam ya kishnong Jaiaw ban kemi benya ak jinglong jingman hakabedai bat ke shong suk shong san. U DGP ke Jylla ulel jurip da kebiak kejat hakabalasan ran u da Superintendent ki pulit city u ba Vivek Siem USP Traffic US Bamania bat kiwe ki hek pulit. Balas sedang ya kene ke jing jurip nak kendai lat bat mi pat shalat sosun. Nang ni kene ke kenhuan kala lek derung syatem metor hakabau DGP ule keren bat kibreu ke basa kene ke jaka ban keli ke jinglong jingman ke jongki. U DGP ulayat sya yo maulong bat ulami isyamat pran bat ularung sya mission compound bat ulah Hiar sya kesnong Jaiaw. Ondala poi Jaiaw DGP ule keren bagi patba bat kinong shong dukan ke badan hak kene ke snong. Bat ule keren ru bat ki katu kene gidkhot jongka KSU ke bayangkai hakmat ke office terekam jongka KSU. Kani ka kenhuan kalami ino na kesnong Jaiaw bat kiyo sya kesnong maukar bat dai pai biang syamat pran. Bat kani ka kenhuan kala penkut ika jingyat hakendai lat. U DGP u Dr. LR Bishnoi ulong ba ke jingjurip jong u kadai bu unyo bane keren bagi nong shong snong ban sngu thu ke jing e jongki. Bat ban kemi ibnya ak jinglong jingman kabedai bat ki bor pahara. Bat lada dong dan kam on pan klan chu chu. Kenang bagi riu shim kabu kin om yo alat bantau yakinu kinu ke jingkulmar. Ulong ba ke jinglet jurip jong u kadai ru namar ke jing yo pediang ke jing ujor ngi pat ba halor ke jing jor jong ke jing don kinong di bagi nong kai drugs. Bat ke jing don kam manwan ra ke jing shingan ke jing kitau. Bat ke sini ke ban wan on salum ni ke jing elang bat kirang ba snong. Bat sung thu ke jing e ke bagi kendo bat ban pan ke jing trilang naki bot penya snong.
He stays in Jylla, he stays on rent.
In rented house?
Yes, sir.
And you are doing some job? Or?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a driver.
You are driver?
Yes, sir.
Driver of government vehicle?
No.
Then your residence is?
For my hometown is Jylla.
Doing job you are studying? You are on business here in Ceylon. What about you? You are also doing your own business?
Same here. Yeah.
Same. You are also doing business. You are big businessman.
Not big. Not big. We are starting it.
You are just started.
Starting it. Yes.
Okay. So basically, we have visited. नहीं वहाँ एक ही नाका है या दो नाके? दो नाका है सर. दो नाके. उसका अलग. Some areas to understand the problems faced by the peoples, and simultaneously also to supervise the existing security arrangement. If the need arises, we can strengthen the existing security. That is why I decided to speak and interact with the citizens here, so that they can tell us any problem is there or not. So I am very happy that most of the people, they are satisfied with the existing security arrangement, and we will continue to dominate the area so that the miscreants should not create any problem here. So that was the purpose of visit, and just also to understand the nitty-gritties of the area, local problems here, because these are the area like Harijan colonies, Jaiaw areas, and some other areas where we are receiving complaints about the drug abuse and other things. So that is why I decided to come and see personally the areas, the topography also, and to interact with the people also.
Do you have any plan to have a meeting with this Orang Baksnong?
Sure. Next week, most probably Tuesday, we will be meeting with all the headmen there along with the team of my officers, and we will definitely interact with them, understand their view of the problems here in the areas, and we will seek their support and help. My message is very simple, that youth, they should concentrate on their study. They should not indulge in any illegal activities. If they have any problems, they should feel free to approach the police and the civil administration. We will try our best to redress their grievances. So they should remain away from the illegal things like drug trafficking, human trafficking, extortions, threatening people for no reasons or assaulting people. So these things will send very wrong signal outside the state also. And most of the people, they don't like these things. Fortunately, even your headmen or people from media or prominent citizens of the society, they also protested these. These are not good things for the states. So my message is also same, that they should remain away from this. They should cooperate with the police. If any problem is there, we will overcome this problem unitedly, jointly. This will continue. We will love to visit all the areas of the Shillong. We will assess the security assessment also. If we can see the area along with the officer on foot, then it can give us the better perception about the area. Our understanding will increase about the areas, and accordingly it will be easy for us to interact with people also, to understand their problems and to plan out our strategy in case if any problem arises. So basically this will continue. We will continue to meet with people of the different localities, different areas, understand their problems.
Ha kabedai bagi jingjor palat jong jing dhang kali ha kanong ba Shillong. U DGP ulong balade ban itho eki khat santli jaka kaba ke jing dhang kali ke jorbha. Bagi ladon gi jing kham tam ha ba ki ladon ginong dia madan ke bela penon kam ki benta jong surok. Bat kene ke suki ke jing yak kali, bat ke mi ke jing dhang kali. Ulong bagi jaka ki badan gi yau ki hat ki jaka sa ki skul ki ladon benta ka ban mi ke jing dhang kali. Bat menta ki pen kre ki kat tu ki benta ban le ban penduna no ya ke jing dhang kali. Ulong hadian baladep ban kli ibnia badin mirjingmut bagi he pulet on sapa ke jing terwa kat kum ke jing don kam sa sarkar Jylla bat on banjur ke jing don kam ban penon kam dagi core technology kenang ban la ban weng ye kini ke jing ha ke bedai bagi jing penyang klep akor ki bos saw ha thain khandai lat bat ki wei pat ke jaka na kaliang USP traffic US Bamania ulong bagi ladep banekaran lor kene kaman bat ke sarkar Jylla kan sa penduna no ikni ki bos bat kini ban ya no tang hakikat tu kan ni ki benta.
See the traffic congestions as per SP traffic, there are few points, 15 odd points are there where traffic congestion is much more than any other points. Some problems are there in those areas, like the vendors, they have occupied most of the portion of the roads. Because of that, vehicle gets slowed and the traffic congestion takes place. Secondly, that is the market area also. Market area also simultaneously the residences and the schools in the locality also sometimes the causes congestions of traffics. So for that we have suggested certain point of actions for that. We will work on it, and let's hope that at least some of the congestion points we will be able to solve the problem.
We have also seen that there are a lot of these JNN URM buses, they are parking in their own whims and fancies all over Shillong. What steps will you take, because these buses are creating a havoc in Shillong?
Actually, this you are talking about this red buses, ML01 buses. In this connection, matter has already been raised with the government, and I think they will phase out these buses in coming time, because now already contract has been renewed. So it was a matter under recent PIL also. I think in coming time the number of buses will be reduced, or they will be plying on the certain roads only.
Increase the manpower of the police personnel or the traffic personnel.
After assessing the situations at field level, after studying the traffic congestion points of Shillong, and after discussing with the traffic officers and police personnel, we will project our requirement before the government, and emphasis will be use of technology also, so that these problems can be overcome.